That's a shit.
What's good? It's Tommy Toog, your favourite uncertified, unqualified, uninteresting YouTube mechanic. We got that guy with the big ass ears that does nothing. Oh, Paddy Dubs, how are you, man? How you going?
Yeah, good.
Chinese safety caps, always quality. Everyone else here is in appropriate, sensible shoes. Not Benito. So we decided that we're going to do a puncture repair, and then the actual tire we were going to repair, we can't. So we're going to drill a hole in the already screwed super tire that leaks anyway, because why not? You guys want to see a puncture repair, I want to do one, so screw it.
Let's fucking do this.
So
Give me the drill.
We're going to drill a hole.
I need a drill bit.
One drill. Viper drill bits, they were good once.
Once?
Yeah, probably like 6 years ago when I bought them.
Alright.
You were there.
Was I?
I went to Total Tools, do you remember? I spent like $2,000 and bought my whole Makita kit like 10 years ago.
Let's be real, I was probably drunk.
Yeah, look, you're probably... Actually, I think we were both pretty hungover. Actually, you were hungover. I think I was just like, oh, sick. So first, you got to have a puncture. That's step one.
We don't have one, so we're making one.
We're making a puncture. Here goes, boys. Oh no, what a puncture.
Oh no, what a shame.
How inconvenient. My tyre is leaking air. I wish my favourite unqualified, uncertified YouTube mechanic would help me. Oh no. Alright, what now?
Now we get the reamer.
The reamer.
Lube her up. And just chuck her in. And go for gold.
Oh, sheesh. Ladies, he is very lonely.
Forearm game is strong.
Slide into his DMs.
Oh no, I fell out.
Paddy Dubs does indeed do this with no lube, I heard. Also very lonely, slide into his DMs.
Oh no, fell out again.
Actually, slide into my DMs if you've got a sick S13, we could probably be friends. But that's about it, really. I just want to see S13.
Alright, now we've got to find the butt plug.
The plug of the butt. Yeah, look at the cool kit. How much was the kit, Benny?
With or without the gift card I used?
Oh, without.
Without the gift card?
Joe Blow.
With the glue, I think it was about $60.
$60 and you can repair your own punctures. What a time saver. Alright, there's leaking. You got a reamed hole.
One's fucked.
She's very reamed. Oh, no more air. Paddy Dubs is going to lick the reamed hole. Here we go. Okay, maybe he's not.
Go on,
Alright. Alright, I guess he is going to lick the reamed
What am I
hole.
leaking?
The reamed hole.
I mean, what's the lubricant?
Ah, she's cheap.
Valvoline.
Don't worry about it.
Vaseline.
It's Valvoline, just lick it. Don't worry about it.
No, I'm good.
We're not sponsored at all.
We're not sponsored by
Probably,
Vaseline.
probably brought to you by
Vaseline.
Vaseline.
This episode's partially sponsored by the packet of Hello Pandas I'm going to eat after. But, like, seriously, reach out to me, Hello Panda. Throw your crap everywhere. Come on. Do me a solid.
I could go a panda right now.
Could go a panda.
Could go a panda. Fucking get out of there, you bastard. Oh.
This is the butt plug.
This is the black butt plug. Butt plug.
Butt plug.
Butt plug.
Get yourselves a butt plug.
Yeah, do that. That's good.
Kind of similar to a regular pug, but it breathes different.
Definitely need lube for that one though. Can't go dry with that one. Do not recommend.
8 out of 10 do not do. So you force the butt plug through the thing.
My hands are greasy. Oh, my torch is dying.
Alright, we're in a rave, boys. Get it.
Get out of here. Piece of shit torch.
Throw your torch.
It's key for a proper puncture repair. Gotta get angry. Oh fuck, the glue's stuck.
The glue is indeed glued.
Oh my god.
Rubber cement is cement-like.
It is.
Cement.
Cement. Fuck me drunk.
Heave. Get a proper tool on it, obviously.
Apparently my forearm game is not that strong.
Ladies, he's not that lonely. Oh no, cementing everything in sight. Get the cement on every surface you can.
You gotta lube her up properly.
Oh dear.
Yeah. A lot of cement on there. Hey, cover the bitch. The wheel's moving. No!
That's
Paddy.
really good. That's really good lubing.
Aha.
Oh man, I'm getting really tired.
Now
Look, I've saved a lot of budget jokes.
we just tap it.
Tap, tap, tap.
A little tabby tap. And you got to try not to push too hard, otherwise you'll go straight through, and you'll have to do it all again, which I've done many, many times.
We don't recommend that here.
No, you don't want that at all. Got to be very gentle, not push too hard, otherwise you're in for a bad time.
Treat it like your first time every time. Oh, that's just delicious.
Now we get the little snippy boys. And we just fucking...
See ya.
Done.
She's done. Fixed. Good as new. I mean, you wouldn't?
No, I wouldn't.
Not that bad.
Mouth doesn't open tomorrow.
Don't recommend that one.
Bumhole closes tomorrow.
Ben's just cement inside.
Yeah.
That is
Yeah.
fermented puncture repair, boys.
Can strongly recommend, don't lick the cement. Does not taste as good as it looks.
I can't believe you did it.
Now, if you want to flex on me, that's all good. I didn't think you were going to do it.
Paddy, how's it feel being weak?
I ain't no bitch, Paddy.
Fuck. So yeah,
We're done.
that was a 7.5 minute puncture repair that I'm not going to edit because I don't care.
I'm going home. Catch you guys.
See, mate. Have a good night. Oh, don't forget your phone. Your Tinder might go off.
Oh yeah, I'll make that.
And the cat comes crawling back.
Priorities.
See, mate.
Mate.
So if you like puncture repairs, like this video. If you like Paddy's earlobes, like this video. I don't know what else we got. Best comment on this video, I'll send you this piece of rag, touched by the famous Benito, aka Ben. Don't question his name. Don't ask about that. Oh, he's got tractors on it. I didn't know what it was. It's tractors, all right.
The track day.
I'm closing out before it gets too dumb. Like this video, and I'll send you this tractor rug to your house. See ya. Make it work.